Since we don't have a new number this week, I wanted to show you the relationship between addition and subtraction and number bonds. So really quick, I'm just gonna show you a number bond that I just wrote, okay? Now, what we are used to seeing is this, is that we know that the two numbers at the bottom go together to make the number that's at the top. Okay, and that would be adding. So like if you take 9 plus one more, and you put it together, 9 and one more is gonna make 10. And this we have learned, the adding part of it. But the part that you might not realize is that this is very, very related to subtraction. So for example, let's pretend like 10 is not the number that we don't know. Let's pretend like 1 is the number we don't know, okay? Now, if you know what the whole is, the big number, but you're missing one of the parts, that's when you're going to subtract. So when you subtract, you start with the biggest number, and the biggest number is 10. You start with the whole, okay? And our whole is 10. So it's like you have 10 cookies. Now you're gonna subtract 9 of them. Subtract is take away. If you subtract 9 from 10, you are going to have 1. If you have 10 cookies and you eat 9 of them, you only have 1 left. Okay, so that's where that number is coming from. So whenever you're looking at a number bond and you're missing one of the parts, like let's pretend like you were missing 9. If you have 10 and you take 1 away, it's gonna be 9. So adding and subtracting, this is called a number family. These 3 numbers work together like this, where you can make actually 2 addition sentences, and you could also make 2 subtraction sentences using these 3 numbers, all right?